How to cancel a pending contribution in Acorns Later. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To cancel a pending contribution to your Acorns Later account, log into your account. Then click on Later. Under Recent Activity, tap on View All. Then select the transaction you would like to cancel. Click on Cancel Transaction from the populating field and then click on Confirm. And after you do that, it will cancel. And this is how to cancel a pending contribution in Acorns Later account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.